How to fix Facebook can't send request. It looks like you may not know this person error on your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the problem when you try to add a friend but it says that it may look like you do not know this person, so you cannot send friend request. Now to fix this problem, first what you'll need to do is clear the cache of your Facebook. Now to clear the cache of the Facebook, simply go to your settings, go to your general under settings and go to iPhone storage. Now right here you will need to search for Facebook, open up Facebook and offload the app. Just tap on offload and offload this app, and after you offload it, just reinstall it. After doing that, check if the problem is fixed. If the problem is fixed, good, that is what we want. And if the problem is not fixed, the second fix involves talking to the support of Facebook. So simply go to your menu section on the bottom right, and after you're on the menu section of the bottom right, scroll down all the way and you'll see help and support. Expand on it. Now right here you can simply go to support inbox or report a problem. Tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report. Now here you can include or not include the diagnostics, and under here you can simply find whatever you want. Tap on friend requests. Now you can add a screenshot. Make sure that you take a screenshot of the problem, type in what went wrong, just tell them that you cannot add people and it gives you that errors, and tap on send. After you do so, Facebook's service will get back to you and they will help you fix the problem for you. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching.